Have you ever decorated your 3D printer? And do you know just how earthquake resistant the traditional Chinese architecture can be? You may think these two questions has nothing to do with each other, but in today's video, I'm gonna connect them. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So this is the Creator 5 I received last month. It comes without the gloss door and the cover. I already made a door. The door made by acrylic panel and a 3D printing part. I used the two pieces of the magnet to keep the door closed. Now I need to build a dust cover to prevent dust go inside my 3D printer. This is my dog. He likes to keep an eye on all my 3D printers while I'm sleeping. But that also means there tends to be a lot of dust around them. For a lot of people, a dust cover may not be that important because they simply don't have this much dust around their printers. But for someone like me who works with a dog by my side every day, a dust cover is actually really important. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I made a dust cover for this printer. Alright, let's get started. These are all the parts I printed, and the design was inspired by traditional Chinese architecture. You might be wondering, what does this have to do with ancient Chinese buildings? Well, my grandfather was a very skilled and well-known carpenter. When I was a kid, I was always fascinated by his woodworking tools and the way he built things. As I grew older, my grandfather passed away, but many of the pieces of furniture he made are still being used by my family today. Unlike most modern construction, traditional Chinese architecture often used very few nails. Instead, builders relied on mortise and tenon joints. These joints can be quite complex, but they allow the wooden parts to connect with a certain amount of flexibility. That flexibility can help the structure handle movement and makes it more resistant to earthquakes. So I thought this kind of structure could also work really well for a 3D printer dust cover and help make the whole frame more stable. I have to say the Creator 5 is a really impressive 3D printer. To save filament, I rarely print multi-color models on single nozzle printers, because changing colors usually means wasting a lot of material through purging. But since I got the Creator 5, I don't really have to worry about that anymore. It not only saves me a lot of filament, but also makes multicolor printing much faster. And switching between different filaments is really convenient. Since I got this printer, I printed quite a few interesting things with it. This realistic looking fish, this robot Easy Beast, and even this tiny escalator were all printed on the Creator 5. Alright, now let's put all these printed parts together. At the end of this video, I also like to thank Murphy for sharing the 3D model of traditional Chinese architecture. The design you saw in this video was inspired by the model he shared. I'll leave the link to that model in the description below. And finally, I want to thank FastForge for providing the Creator 5 for this channel. Its performance has honestly exceeded my expectations, and it's a really impressive multicolor 3D printer. Alright, that's everything for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.